What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I usually do gaming videos, but as a homeowner, I'm going to do a little DIY today. So basically, one day my son decided he wanted to become an artist. And what better canvas, drum roll please, than my bathroom cabinets. And to top it off, his tool of choice was two, not one, but two permanent markers. One black and one red. You can see my excitement. So on another note, let's get to the point of this DIY project. How to remove permanent marker from wood. So all you're gonna need is body spray, a wet cloth, and some good old-fashioned elbow grease. That's it. It's that simple. You can pick up by pretty cheap from Walmart. At the time of this video, I found it online. Pick up today for like $2.88. But usually you can find it for about $1 if you just go into the store. So here are the before and after pics of my cabinets after I finished with this project. So if you just follow the steps in this video, you should get the same results. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to spray a generous amount of Bod on the marker spot. And take that wet cloth and just scrub away. And as you can see, when I sprayed it on there, that it already started to run off. And let me tell you, this marker, this permanent mark, has been on my cabinets for over 3 months. So it really doesn't matter how long it's been on there, it will still work. And I'm going to show it to you on both cabinets. I'm going to go through the whole process and you'll see it coming off. But anyways, like I said, just follow this guide and your cabinets will look as good as new when you're done. So as I finish up this last cabinet, I just want to thank y'all for watching, and go ahead and hit that like button if you like this video. And if you want to see more videos or you want to check out some of my gaming videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I do reply back to comments, so if you do have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll get to it as soon as possible. Once again, thank you and have a very blessed day.